whole chicken in my Instapot for the first time, and I'm going to use a rotisserie seasoning rub. So, I'm going to get my Instapot. And I think they call this a trevette or whatever. Make sure that's in there at the bottom. I'm going to add either 1 or 2 cups of water in there, but let me get my seasoning mix first. All right, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. This is a half a teaspoon. I need 2 teaspoons of pepper, so I'll do 4 halves. I really need to go out and buy myself some measuring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And 1 tablespoon of onion powder. All right, so I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of paprika. Tablespoon. One teaspoon of thyme. And again, this is the half, so I need 2 of them. Oops. 2, that makes 1 tablespoon or a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna do pepper flakes and hope it's not a mistake. And then I'm going to stir it together. And I should have I'm supposed to have a lemon to put inside the chicken, but I don't, so I'm just going to squeeze some lemon juice in there and put half on a cut onion. But this looks and smells really good. All right, so I'm gonna put a cup of water in there. Just enough to make sure there's water in your Instapot. You don't want to run the Instapot with certain recipes without water in it. All right, so I'm just gonna set this in there for a second. And I'm going to put my rub all on this sucker. Trying to get out of there. Did you see his wing? I'm going to add just a little more water at the bottom. Without getting it on the chicken, hopefully. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put the top on in the Instapot, if you don't know. All right, so lock it. Should have one for poultry. There it is, poultry. I'm going to do 7 minutes per pound. This is almost 6 pounds. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 6 is 42? Yep. Had to ask. It's been a long time since I've been in school. I set it for 42. And we're going to make sure the steam valve is set to closed. As you can see, this is steam, this is closed. So set it to close. Oh, you guys are falling. And it's locked. Steam valve is closed. And I'm going to do start. It's going to take a few minutes to warm up and then it will start. So we will be back to see in 42 minutes or longer actually. Okay, so it's been slow releasing for 20 minutes. I'll finish it off. And you don't want to lock until it's all off. All right. And then this should be at 1. Oh yeah, this is definitely done. I don't even think I have to test it, but 165. I'm burning my hands. Whoo-wee. If this chicken ain't done, it says 160, but it's fall apart done. If you can get that metal thing,
that's
pick
what I'm
that
trying
up.
to get the grate. Push down on the front.
Awesome.
That was pure luck. That was pure luck.
All right, there's our chicken. All right, so I had footage of where we tried the chicken, but I lost it. So I just wanted to let you know that the chicken turned out absolutely fabulous. And this was our first time cooking a whole chicken in an Instapot. So you should try it. It was really simple and easy, and it turned out nice and juicy and delicious. All right, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.